Ginger has numerous health benefits, some of which include 1. Digestive health. Ginger helps alleviate digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and nausea. It stimulates digestion, improves absorption of nutrients, and reduces inflammation in the gut. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols, which help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis, osteoarthritis, and muscle soreness. 3. Immune boosting. Ginger has immune-boosting properties that help strengthen the body's defense mechanism against infections and diseases. It can help reduce the duration and severity of cold and flu symptoms. 4. Pain relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can also help alleviate pain, especially joint and muscle pain. It is often used as a natural remedy for menstrual cramps and migraine headaches. 5. Anti-nausea. Ginger is widely known for its ability to relieve nausea and vomiting, including morning sickness in pregnant women. It is often used to alleviate motion sickness and nausea caused by chemotherapy. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. 7. Heart health. Ginger helps improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, regulating blood pressure, and improving blood circulation. It may also help prevent the formation of blood clots. 8. Weight management. Ginger can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and reducing cravings. It promotes satiety, making you feel fuller for longer periods, which can help control calorie intake. It is important to note that while ginger is generally safe for consumption, it may interact with certain medications. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or starting any new supplement.